Hi class, this is Ma'am Malaika D. Kalma. You can call me Ma'am Likes and I'll be your teacher in English. So before we start our lesson, I have provided some pictures. What I want you to do is to label these pictures on screen, okay? Okay, so for our first picture, we have, okay, so what do you think this picture is? This picture is okay, very good, a girl. How about the next picture? Okay, correct. It is a ball. And then the last picture we have, okay, very good. We have a box. And these pictures are what we called noun. Okay, so for today's lesson, we will be talking about noun. And noun is part of the 8 parts of speech. For the 8 parts of speech, we have noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions, and interjection. So for today, we will be focusing on the first part of speech, which is noun. So let us first talk about the objectives of our lesson. So at the end of the lesson, the students are able to identify what is noun, enumerate the types of noun, and give an example of noun. Okay, so what comes into your mind when you have heard the word noun? Okay, so when we say noun, it is a part of speech that names a person, place, things, and events. Meaning when we say noun, it is a kind of name, any kind of name. It can be a name of a person, okay, place, things, events, and animals. Any kind of names, it is what we called noun. Okay po? So we also have the 8 types of nouns. And these are proper noun, common noun, compound noun, countable noun, uncountable noun or mass noun, and collective noun, concrete noun, and abstract noun. So let us first talk about the first type of noun, which is the proper noun. Okay, now what is proper noun? Proper nouns have two distinct features. They name specific one-of-a-kind items and they begin with capital letters no matter where they occur within a sentence. Okay, so it means for proper noun, it names a specific noun. Okay, any kind of specific noun is what we call proper noun. And always remember that a proper noun always begins with capital letter, no matter where they begin or started in the sentence. Okay? Okay. For example, Gabrielle went to the store. So how many nouns do we have? Basically, we have 2 nouns. It is Gabrielle and the store. Now we are talking about the proper noun. And when we say proper noun, it names a specific one of a kind. So where is our specific name in the sentence? Okay, very good. The name Gabrielle. Why Gabrielle is our proper noun? Because it names a specific name of a person. Okay po? Next, we have, it's Gabrielle's first day of class. Again, our proper noun is Gabrielle. So what have you noticed with the given example? In the first example, the name Gabrielle located at the first sentence and it starts in capital letter. On the second example, the name Gabrielle is located between its and first and still it is in capital letter. Okay po? So as you can see, the first letter starts in capital letter. Okay po? So always remember for proper noun, it names a specific noun and it always begins with capital letter. Okay, another example of proper noun, we have Roel. Roel is a specific name of a person. America. America is a specific name of a place. Adidas and Nike are a specific name of a shoes, okay, or brand of shoes. Okay, if we are going to use these in the sentence, we have Roel lives in America. So as you can see here, we have two proper noun in the sentence, which is Rowell and America. So as you can see or observe, the name Rowell starts in capital letter, and also the name America, okay, starts in capital letter. Okay po? Okay, next we have Gabriel has Adidas and Nike. So here we have three examples of proper noun, which are Gabriel, because it is a specific name of a person. Adidas, because it is a specific name of a shoes. And also Nike. Okay po? Again, they started with capital letter. Okay? Okay. Next, we move on to the next type or second type of noun, which is the common noun. Okay, what is common noun? A common noun is the generic name for a person, place, or thing in a class or group. Unlike proper nouns, a common noun is not capitalized. Okay, so here, as you observe, common noun is the opposite of proper noun because in common noun, it names a general noun, meaning there is no specific name mentioned in the sentence. And also, a common noun is not capitalized because they name a generic name of a person, place, or thing. Okay? So for example, the boy was chased by the dog. So here we have the word boy, which is our common noun, and then the word dog, which is our common noun. Why is it why boy is our common noun? Because boy names a general name of a person, okay? But if I would say Rowell was chased by the dog, therefore the word Rowell is not a common noun because it names a specific name of a person. Okay po? Next, we have the dog. Okay, so dog is also an example of common noun because it names a general name of a dog because we have a lot of breeds of dog. But if I would say Belgian Malinois, Husky, Shih Tzu, and so on and so forth, those are what we call proper noun because they name a specific breeds of dog. But if you would say dog only, therefore the word dog is our common noun because it names a general name of a dog. Okay? Okay. Next example, I have to see my doctor to get the medical test's results. Now, where is our common noun in the sentence? Okay, very good. The word doctor. Why the word doctor is our common noun? Because again, there is no specific name mentioned in the sentence. The word doctor names for general name of a person. Okay po? Okay. Another example of common noun, we have shampoo, shoes, dog, and bag. For shampoo, again, we have a lot of brands of shampoo, and shampoo names a general brands of shampoo. Okay? Shoes is also an example of common noun because we have a lot of brands of shoes, meaning shoes is in general noun. It names general noun. Another, dog, we have a lot of breeds of dog. And for bag, we have a lot of brands of bag. So again, for common noun, it names a general noun, meaning there is no specific name mentioned in the sentence. Okay po? Okay. Now, what if I'll ask you to give an example of proper noun of shampoo? Proper noun is a specific noun. Okay, we could say Vaseline, Palmolive, Dove. Those are what we call proper noun because it names a specific brand of shampoo. Okay po? Next type of noun, we have the compound noun. Now, what is a compound noun? A compound noun contains two or more words that join together to make a single word. Okay, so for compound noun, these are nouns that has two words joined together or combined together to create new words. For example, we have pan plus cake equals, okay, very good, pancake. So when we say compound noun, we have two words, okay, joined together to create new word. Okay. Another example of compound noun is hat plus dog equals hot dog. Again, for compound noun, we have two words joined together to create or form another new word. Okay? And the next type of noun, we have the countable noun. Now, what is countable noun? Countable nouns are persons, animals, places, things, or ideas which can be counted. So basically, from the word itself, count, meaning these are nouns that we can count. Anything that we can count is what we call countable nouns. Okay? Okay, for example, how many candles are on that birthday cake? So basically, the countable noun in this sentence is the candles. Why candles? Because we can count candles. Okay, so here we have 5 candles. Also, the countable noun in this sentence is birthday cake. Why? Because we can count a birthday cake or a cake. So here, in the given example, we only have one cake. Therefore, if we can count these examples, it is what we call the countable noun. Okay po? Another example for countable noun, we have books, pen, paper, chair, students, and so on and so forth. Anything that you can count is what we call countable noun. Okay? Okay. Next, we proceed to uncountable noun. Now, what is uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns are for the things that cannot be counted with numbers. They may be the names for liquids or physical objects that are too small to be counted. Okay po. So for uncountable noun, this is the opposite of countable noun. Why? Because uncountable noun cannot be counted. Okay? We cannot count them. Okay? Why? Because they are liquids or physical objects that are too small, okay, for us to count. For example, we have water. Can we count the water? Basically, no. Okay? How about sugar? Can you count a sugar? Definitely no. And then coffee. Can you count a coffee? Of course not. Okay, therefore, these are an example of uncountable noun. Another example of uncountable noun is hair. Can you count your hair? Definitely no. Therefore, it is an example of uncountable noun. Okay? Okay. And then next, we have the collective noun. Now, what is collective noun? So, a collective noun names a single group composed of multiple members. So, collective noun names a single group that has multiple members, meaning you only have one word, but that one word consists of 3 or more members. For example, we have faculty. Faculty is just one word, but it has more than 3 members. Okay? When we say faculty, these are group of teachers. Another example is flock. Flock is for a group of birds. Okay? And then the army. Army is for soldiers. So when we say collective noun, these are nouns that only have one word but consists of multiple members. Okay po? Okay, next we move on to concrete noun. Now, what is concrete noun? A concrete noun is a noun that can be identified through one of your 5 senses. Sense of taste, touch, sight, hearing, or smell. So when we say concrete noun, these are nouns that we can see, we can touch, we can hear, we can smell, and we can taste. Anything that can be identified by your five senses or one of your five senses is what we call concrete noun. For example, chair. Can you touch a chair? Basically, yes. Can you see a chair? Basically, yes. Cake. Okay, so we can see cake, we can taste and smell cake, therefore it is concrete noun. Next, bag, and so on and so forth. Anything that you can see, anything that you can touch, anything that can be perceived by one of your five senses is what we call concrete noun. Okay? And then lastly, we have the abstract noun. Okay, now what is abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun that cannot be perceived using one of the five senses: sense of taste, touch, sight, hearing, or smell. So what do you mean by this? Okay, so it simply means the abstract noun is the opposite of concrete noun because in abstract noun, we cannot see them, we cannot touch them. We cannot smell and hear them, but we can feel them. Anything that we cannot touch but can be felt is what we call abstract noun. Okay? Okay. So for example, Leo is hungry. So here, the word hungry is our abstract noun. Why hungry is our abstract noun? Can you touch hungriness? No. Can you see hungriness? Definitely no. But can you feel that you are hungry? Basically, yes. Therefore, the word hungry is our abstract noun. Okay? Another example. Mom likes, loves her students. Okay, so where is our abstract noun in the sentence? Okay, very good. We have the word loves or love. Why love is our abstract noun? Because again, can you see love? No. Can you touch love? No. Can you smell love? No. Can you feel that you are in love? Basically, yes. Therefore, the word love is our abstract noun. Okay, again, when we say abstract noun, these are nouns that we cannot touch, but we can feel. Okay? Another example for abstract noun is wind. We cannot see a wind, we cannot touch the wind, but we can feel that there is a wind or an air. Okay? Okay, so that's it, class. Again, that's it for today and good day.